Brklyn. A few weeks ago, we did an Hermes Apple Watch video, and it got quite a few views compared to my other videos, and you guys have been asking questions, and I wanted to do another video to get a little more in depth about the Hermes Apple Watch and talk about what you're getting for the price it is at and just the difference of just the regular one compared to this hefty premium guy right here. The Hermes model of the Apple Watch starts at an eye-watering price of $1,249, but you can actually get it for even more depending on which model you get and the straps you get for $1,499. So today, if you could please like and subscribe and comment below after I give you all the deets about what you're getting for that price, and let me know if you agree about getting this watch, if it's worth it, or if you're like, holy crap, that really is a lot of money. The bright orange box. This box definitely stands out from other Apple Watch boxes. It is bright orange, obviously, and it's a little just more extra than the rest of the boxes. So that also is what you're getting when you're looking into this Hermes Apple Watch. Opening it up, just like the other Apple Watches, the first box includes the Apple Watch with, this is the spoiler here. You get an extra band. This is the sports band with the Hermes Apple Watch. So usually you just get the regular band that it comes with, but this one comes with an extra sports band. Most models come with a bright orange Hermes color. This one is the space black version, so it comes with the black. That's what this first box contains with the charger and the Apple Watch. And then we move over to this next box. Okay, I'm not gonna put that in. Okay, just by looking at this is super soft and nice. Then you open it up, and you got this nice, yummy smelling leather band. This is really, really nice band right here. That was not good English. This is a really nice band right here. And you can just tell by how it is in this really soft packaging that it is really nice. Let's talk about this space black really quick. This color is black. Black, like very black. It also has what they call DLC, diamond-like coating. I've had family that have had the space black Apple Watch versions in the past, and I have never seen a single scratch on it. So the space black is dope, and it looks awesome. Now, the space black used to be a regular option for Apple Watch, but with the Series 6 coming out, they have a new color, graphite, which is in between the space black and stainless steel. So the only way to get this space black is if you have this Hermes Apple Watch. So now that is the only way you can get it. So if you really want that dark black, Hermes is the way. So when buying this Hermes Apple Watch, you can buy that space black color, but they also offer a stainless steel. So you can do either of those. A really fun thing that they have to offer to make it your very own watch. They have tons of different leather band colors. So that's really cool, but we'll get into that in just a little bit. Let's finish up with the Apple Watch and its features. All of Apple's steel Apple Watches come with cellular. So whether you're getting the Hermes stainless steel or the Hermes space black, you are still getting cellular with either of those options. The stainless steel does not have the diamond-like coating that we were talking about earlier, so it does scratch, where opposed to the space black has that diamond-like coating, so it's not supposed to scratch. The stainless steel model can scratch, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Most regular watches are made of stainless steel, but what you do not want scratches on is your screen. So what Hermes offers for us is sapphire over the top of the screen. In all the years I've had Apple Watches, my Apple Watches with glass that are my aluminum Apple Watches, they tend to scratch a little bit easier than the ones that have the sapphire over the screen. Maybe I am more careful than most, but all the Apple Watches that I have had that have sapphire have not scratched. In theory, it's not supposed to scratch at all unless you rub it up against something like diamond or harder. You could get a stainless steel Apple Watch, not Hermes, for as little as $699 and still get some of the same benefits of having that sapphire glass, the cellular, and the stainless steel case. So why not do that when it's half the price, you ask? I'm so glad you asked that. Let me tell you. Let's get back to this leather strap made by Hermes, tucked away in this soft little bag. These leather straps look great, they wear great, and they smell great. I have a family member who bought one of these leather bands when the first Apple Watch came out, and it looks better now than the day that he bought it. So if you are to buy one of these leather bands, they will last you a really long time, longer than the watch is relevant. This is the one that this model came with, but there are so many different colors. I kind of mentioned earlier to make it your very own style that you can choose from. A lot of these bands are available to buy on their very own, so if you're debating between some or you just want to have more, you can buy them. Something really cool that you can do is you don't have to have this Apple Watch to rock some of these Hermes bands. You can buy them on their very own, and they do fit all Apple Watch sizes. Just make sure you get the right size. Of course, if you do buy one of these Hermes Apple Watch bands, you are looking at those premium Hermes prices as well. You could buy an Apple Watch SE for the same price as one of these bands. The lowest band they have is the single tours, and it's $339. But if you're wanting one of those super sweet deployment bands, they are $539. That's a premium price for sure. I have heard people complaining about Apple Watch's leather bands that are like $100 to $150. Me being one of those people, I think that's pretty pricey. But if you're talking about a $500 band, woo, that's some real money. With Hermes Apple Watch, you get a bunch of different options for the faces. And you just saw how many different color options there are for the bands. With the faces, you get lots of different options of just those faces, and then you can change the colors with those. This is my favorite aspect of Hermes Apple Watch. I have heard people debate good or bad about the Apple Watch faces. With Hermes, in my opinion, the best designed faces are the Hermes faces. And there's something you only get if you fork out the cash for the Hermes version. It doesn't matter if you buy the Hermes band later. If Hermes is not etched to the back of your watch, you are not getting those faces. My favorite Apple Watch face on the Hermes watch is the original face that it has. Very basic, just shows the numbers, moon, phase, date, and says Hermes Paris on the dial. There are a bunch of different options to show more or less numbers, change the dial color, or even the font or numbers. That is my favorite of the Hermes Apple Watch faces, but you can get have the Hermes circular there too if you want to display more information, or all of the very extensive gradient options that are super fun and also very classy. And that's the thing about Hermes Apple Watch. It's very high fashion. There's a certain look that you get for what you're paying for. Maybe you don't like the look. Maybe you do. But for the price, it might not be worth it to you. I'm not saying you have to buy one. I'm not rushing out to buy one. But I gotta say, this is a really nice looking Apple Watch. So that's it. That's what you get. Lots of different design options. It's absolutely beautiful. Exclusive watch faces, different colored bands, and the leather band. Oh, and that sports band. You don't want stinky workout sweat on that $500 leather band. Good thing you got that extra sports band. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Comment below if you think the Hermes Apple Watch is worth it for this hefty price, or if you think it's way too crazy expensive, or if you think a little bit of both. Let's build this channel together. Could you guys help please get the word out? I would absolutely love it, and thank you so much for everyone who has been watching. I can't wait for this channel to grow, and I really appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next time.